Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video I'm going to be taking you through pound US dollar, as there could be a technical short idea forming. Now, looking at the weekly chart here, we can see that price has been in a long-term downward trend, making those clear lower highs and lower lows in the market. And most recently, price has come back into an area of interest. So what we've got here is the 116 handle, the horizontal resistance, horizontal weekly resistance, combined with this trend line resistance here. So we've got two confluences to potentially say that there could be some resistance at the 116 handle, which could lead to price pushing back to the downside. Now, if price is going to push back to the downside, there are a couple of key levels it could push back to. We could push back to the 111.50 handle, or it could push to the 0953 handle, which are these previous lows. Now, if we go down to a lower time frame, what could we expect? Well, for the first instance, if price is going to transition here and push to move to the downside, what I would expect is some kind of change of trend. If I just highlight the previous time price went into an impulsive phase and go down to the 4-hour time frame, zoom out a little bit and move over, what do we notice price doing? Well, price is predominantly in an upward trend, okay? We then go a little bit sideways, pop back up, but then price takes out the lows, which happens over here. Price then goes into those lower lows and lower highs until we come into key areas of support and resistance. So is that the same situation here? What we did have was sort of a double top. Market did make a lower low, lower high pattern, and then we broke to the downside. We retested key support at 1150. Price has then rallied back to the upside, retesting this resistance where those sellers got involved previously, and has again formed a new low. So is that a sign for us that price may be heading back down towards the 111.50 handle, and if so, could it then trade through and head towards the 109.53? Now, if I just deselect this a little bit and we go down even lower, what I'd be looking for is areas of support and resistance. So I'm just going to hit this button up here, and you can see price rallying, consolidating, breaking to the downside, coming back into previous lows, failing at those lows, and then continuing lower. So really speaking, we've got sort of a zone through here which price is finding some resistance at. We could also argue that there is this consolidation here which could also act as resistance. So I think we've got one or two options here with pound, because we are starting to fail and break through these lows through here. We should really start to look to see if price holds at these points, and if it does, that could give us further opportunities for continuation trades to the downside, because you've got this kind of area here where sellers have pushed price down, making that new low on the hourly time frame, or you've got this area here where price consolidates and then sellers really get involved and push price to the downside. So either area there could see sellers re-enter the market and push prices even lower. So that's my theory there on pound US dollar. I hope you enjoyed the video update. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more Forex trading content, and I'll speak to you in the next video.